Hi guys! So, I created this video para po sa lahat ng ating online franchisee, lahat po na existing right now. I want to help everyone set their expectations when it comes to our business, especially right now since there is an ongoing pandemic. So, I want to help you para matuto po tayo because kung hindi po tayo matututo gawin yung negosyo natin, hindi po tayo dito magiging successful. By the way, this is Coach Kurt and let me inform you that I am not an employee of JC Premier. I am also a franchisee just like you. Pare-pareho lang po tayo ng position right now. It just so happened that I focus on franchise referrals and in my presentation, I said this is optional but sa sariling opinion ko po, I do this and I give priority in referring people because number one, I want to share this business to as much people as I can. Do you agree with me guys that this is a good opportunity to earn? Yes. Kaya po, sinishare ko siya as much as possible. Ayoko po siyang solohin. And number two, this way of earning po kasi, it is only temporary. This is not lifetime. That is why I want to maximize it. Habang meron pa, tinatrabaho ko po siya. Yung mga shoplink po natin, yung mga online store natin, guess what? Lifetime po yan. Pwede mong balikan yan anytime. And the fact na meron tayong pandemic, kahit gaano talaga aganda yung negosyo, kahit gaano aganda yung sistema ng company, natapat po tayo sa situation right now na ang kalaban po natin ay panahon. Ito po yung binigay sa atin ng Diyos. So, we have to accept na hindi po 100% operational or smooth yung business natin right now because of the pandemic. But then again, let me remind you, lifetime yung franchise mo. Nataon lang na hindi ito yung tamang timing para maka 100% full blast ang mga kumpanya. And I'm very sure a lot of companies pare-pareho po yung problema right now because of the pandemic. So, kaya ako, minaximize ko talaga yung referrals. And number three, a lot of people are affected by the pandemic. Yung karamihan po dito nawalan ng trabaho. I want to inform them na they can have their own business for a very low capital. Yung pangarap mo dati, magkaroon ka ng sariling negosyo, pwede nang matupad ngayon. Bakit? Dahil meron na tayong online franchise. Tama ba? Kaya ka nga nakapag-avail. Because yung franchise natin, nakahabol ka. So, congratulations po, inabutan mo yung 15K na franchise fee natin. And, so, before we start, I want you to understand that we need to be oriented on how our business works by watching company trainings, umattend po tayo ng mga online trainings, itong video training ko, I give time, I give my effort to 100% para po mag-prepare ng gantong klaseng video training para po sa inyo. Para po ma-prepare ko yung mind nyo, your mind and body for this business. Because you and your commitment will serve as keys to finish this training successfully. So, congratulations everyone for taking a leap of faith by availing this chance of a lifetime opportunity. Tama po ba? It goes to show that you are really willing to change your results because all the results that you have right now and what you are today, whether in a good situation or in a bad situation, it is because of the decisions and actions you took 2 to 3 years ago. Tama po ba? Or what you will become in the next few years, it will depend on the actions that you will take, the decisions you will make today. Do you agree? Yes. So, let me bring you, tutulungan po kita mapunta sa sitwasyon in the future wherein hindi mo na kailangan problemahin yung pera. But, it will depend on you. Kaya nga po dito sa business natin, kahit pare-pareho tayong franchisee, yung iba po maliit yung kinikita, yung iba malaki kinikita. Because, let me remind you guys this is your business. You will be the one to dictate whether you will fail or you will succeed in this business. And as your top leader, my responsibility is to guide everyone in every step of the way habang inaaral mo pa lang yung negosyo, habang hindi ka pa sanay, habang hindi mo pa na ma-master yung results, yung process I mean. And I will do this business with you, but I will not do this for you. Magkaiba po yun. Hindi nyo po ako pwedeng utusan or hindi ko po pwedeng gawin yung negosyo para sa inyo. Just like, for example, hindi ako pwede kumain para sa'yo. Kailangan ikaw mismo yung kumain para sa sarili mo. Naintindihan po ba? Again, it is a requirement for all new franchisee to learn first and be oriented. No one, again po no one will be allowed to start inviting or referring without learning how our business works. Regardless kung pagbebenta ba ng products yan, ng Siomai King, ng Boy Bondat, ng Mang Box, Copper Mask, at saka yung iba pa nating food products. Regardless po kung yun ang ibebenta mo or ang ibebenta mo yung mismong franchise natin. Okay? Ulitin ko po, everyone should learn first and be oriented. Okay? If you will not follow me or this training, hindi po kita ma-assist because simula pa lang po hindi mo na ginawa ng tama. Remember this, if you will not start the business the right way, then you will not finish the right way. Okay po ba? Now, kaya ko po ginawa yung video na ito. Let me first share my mentality in this business. I have general rules. Ito po yung mga how I handle situations. Ito yung mindset ko. Number 1 po, I always have fun. And lagi po akong excited pag ginagawa ko yung negosyo. Alam naman po natin, sa labas, halos lahat negative na. Halos lahat ang daming reklamo, puro complaint sa gobyerno at kung saan man sa trabaho nila. And syempre, sa negosyo natin, hindi pwedeng negative tayo. Hindi pwedeng puro complaining ang ginagawa natin. Hindi pwedeng puro hanap tayo ng butas ng company or sa products natin. Remember, tignan mo muna yung sarili mo. Ano na ba yung nagawa mo before blaming others? And be excited also. Can you just imagine, no? Nagbebenta ka ng siomai or nung products natin sa kakilala mo, tapos malungkot ka. Tingin mo, bibili sila? Hindi, di ba? So again, always have fun and be excited. Kung magiging negative ka dito, tendency po, you're bound for negative things in life to happen to you. So, pwedeng puro negative yung mangyayari sa'yo dahil ina-attract mo kasi yung negative eh. So, always be positive. So, number 2, I want you guys to sort versus sell. This is one of my secrets. Actually, hindi po siya secret talaga, pero hindi po siya alam ng karamihan. When I say sort versus sell, we sort to find people. We do not sell just to find people. Nagets nyo po? We sort to find. Ibig sabihin, hahanapin po natin yung mga taong interested talaga sa business natin. Interested bumili. Interested mag-avail ng franchise. Hindi po natin bebentahan yung mga ayaw for the sake na may mabentahan tayo. Okay? So, number 3, no emotional attachment. Dito po, kailangan batot manhid ka. Kailangan Batman ka dito. Hindi uubra dito sa negosyo natin yung nag-offer ka lang once or twice sa kakilala mo tapos hindi sila bumili, negative ka na agad, ayaw mo na agad, tingin mo na agad magfe-fail ka. Hindi po ubra sa negosyo natin yon. Dito po, kailangan po matibay po ang ating loob. Dahil kung gusto mo maging successful, kailangan ayusin mo yung mindset mo as early as now, habang nagsisimula ka pa lang. Kailangan ang mindset mo po is payaman. Yung talagang regardless na kahit sino ang mag-reject sa'yo sa negosyo na to ay magiging successful ka. Which goes to our number 4 rule, always know where you stand. Kailangan alam mo yung may posture ka dapat because this is your business. Regardless, kahit sabihin nila na hindi ka magsasucceed or magsasucceed ka, kailangan ang mindset mo dito, magiging successful ka. Because if you will not think that way, it won't happen. Hindi ka magiging successful dito. Agree? Number 5, learn before you earn. So, without learning, there's no earning. Ganun lang po kasimple dito. Can you just imagine na mayroon kang brand new sports car, pero hindi ka marunong mag-drive? Anong tendency mangyayari? Mababangga ka lang. Tama? Ganon din po sa negosyo natin. Kahit gaano kaganda yung negosyo, kahit gaano kaganda yung products, kahit gaano kaganda yung sistema, or kahit gaano kagaling yung mga may-ari, kung ikaw mismo hindi mo siya pinag-aralan, yung process niya, how it works, tendency mag-fail ka lang. Hindi ka magsasucceed. Agree? So, yun po yung 5 general rules ko. So, number 1, always have fun and be excited. Number 2, sort versus sell. Number 3, no emotional attachment. And number 4, always know where you stand. And lastly, number 5, learn before you earn. Okay, so let's proceed to the steps that you should know before doing the business. So number 1, attend po tayo ng online orientation because the number 1 reason why people fail in this kind of business or even other businesses is because they do not study how the business works. Tama po ba? Just like my example earlier, magkaroon ka ng kotse, hindi ka marunong mag-drive, pwede kang bumangga eh. Pwedeng hindi, pwedeng bumangga, pero mas mataas yung chance na maksidente ka. Ganon din sa negosyo natin. Same sa business natin. Hindi mo inaral, kahit gaano pa kaganda yung business natin, magfe-fail ka lang dito. Mataas yung chance na hindi ka mag-succeed. Bakit? Hindi mo kasi alam kung paano yung proseso, paano tumatakbo yung negosyo. Agree? So, number 2, order po tayo sa sarili nating Shoplink, utang na loob guys. Umorder ka muna sa Shoplink mo before selling para ma-experience mo naman. Para ma-experience mo siya first hand, paano umorder, paano ilagay yung Shoplink natin. Kailangan matutunan mo yan. Para once na makapag-refer ka in the future, maturo mo din sa kanila. Again, this is a helping business. Tutulungan ka po namin gawin yung negosyo. Pero once po na nakapag-refer ka, turuan mo din sila. Because ano pong mangyayari in the future, pag hinayaan mo na dumami ng dumami, yung mga kailangan mong turuan, mafa-flood ka lang, may stress ka lang. And yung iba pong franchisee, karamihan po sa ibang groups, hindi po kasi sila na-orient katulad ng ganito. That's why yung karamihan po, ang tendency, pag hindi nila alam ang isang bagay at nangyari, magagalit sila. Madi-disappoint sila. Kasi hindi sila in-orient. Hindi na set yung expectations nila. Kaya ang nangyayari, nawawalan sila ng gana gawin yung business. So, can you just imagine, no? Although 15,888 is a low capital para sa negosyo, naglabas ka pa rin ng puhunan. Tama ba? Ayokong masayang yung ininvest nyo sa wala. Gusto ko kung ano po yung nangyayari sa akin, mangyari din sa inyo. Kung ano yung na-experience ko, ma-experience mo din. Gusto ko dumating yung araw na ikaw naman yung nakaupo dito sa upuan at ikaw naman yung nagkukwento ng kwento mo. Ikaw naman yung nag-share ng experience mo. Ikaw naman yung nagti-teach sa mga referrals mo. Sa mga taong gusto magbago yung buhay nila. Lalo na financially. Tama po ba? So, things to know before you avail. Number 1 po, kailangan po alam ng lahat na limited pa lang ang serviceable areas natin. Right now, Luzon area pa lang tayo, wala pa tayo sa Visayas and Mindanao because of the pork ban. So, lahat ng presentation ko, I always share this. Pero, para ma-record ko na, para po ma-review nyo, and when the time comes, meron kang franchisee na, let's say, something happened and ayaw niya na bigla gawin yung negosyo natin, meron kang mapakita sa kanya na ito po yung orientation na inattendan mo before. Kaya hindi nyo po kami pwedeng baliktarin sa company. So, ito, pwede nyo na rin po itong ipanood sa kanila. And, number 2 naman, yung products naman natin sometimes out of stock sa website. Minsan, one day out of stock. Or kaka-replenish lang, tapos out of stock agad. It's because nauubusan sa sobrang dami na nag-avail sa atin. And yung demand medyo mataas, pero yung supply natin, limited lang because of the pandemic. Again, balik po tayo sa sinasabi ko kanina na nataon po kasi sa panahon talaga. Inabutan tayo ng COVID eh. Wala tayong magagawa kahit anong pilit ng kumpanya na pabilisin, na padaliin, yung process natin, hindi po kaya. Just like a rubber band, kung nasobra niya sa stretch, mapuputol lang yan. And the company doesn't want that to happen sa ating lahat. Okay? So, we just have to accept right now, hindi po talaga tayo 100 smooth. Kaya nga ginawa nilang lifetime yung franchise. Did you know that yung mga nag-avail po ng food cart franchise, every year po ay nagbabayad sila ng around 14,000 pesos just to renew the papers ng food cart nila. Tayo po walang ganon. Can you just imagine yung blessing na binigay sa atin ng mga owners, ng company mismo? So, dito pa lang po sa negosyong nakuha natin, we should already be thankful. Because despite na marami nagsasarang company, maraming nawawalan ng trabaho, dito po sa atin, good problem eh. Malakas yung negosyo natin eh. Tama ba? Ito yung tamang timing din na nakapag-avail ka na mababa lang yung franchise fee natin. Yung po yung tumama sa timing mo sa pag-avail. Ang baba ng puhunan na inilabas mo. So, sink that in. Number 4, when you go to the office, kuwari pumunta ka ng Pilipinas or nandito ka sa Philippines right now, gusto mo mag-office, you should schedule first sa sked.ph natin. You can PM your sponsors. For sure, alam nila yon, sked.ph. Doon po magre-register yung mga franchisee katulad ko, katulad natin, bago magpunta ng office. Kasi meron tayong sinusunod na rules by the government. May social distancing po tayo. Okay? Okay guys, so let's proceed. So for sure by now, meron ka na rin natutunan about the business, yung mga kailangan nating malaman bago tayo mag-refer or bago natin gawin yung business, tama ba? Ito lang, gusto ko lang i-share din sa inyo, what are the 3 big questions that you must answer to your referrals, to your friends, to your family, to your uh, co-workers, na mga nag-inquire po sa atin regarding the business. So, 3 big questions. Ito po para sa akin. Number 1 is, does it work? Number 2 is, will you help me? And number 3 is, can I do it? So, ulitin ko, does it work? Will you help me? And can I do it? So, to answer your question number 1, does it work? Of course. Kaya nga po tayo may sistema. Meron tayong tools to do the business. Doesn't matter kung wala kang experience, first time mo gawin yung business, as long as you follow the system, as long as you master the process, yung resulta po susunod yan. Once you learn and once you help people, money will follow. Maniwala po kayo sa akin. Pag na-master mo yung process, mauulit mo yung results. Again, if you master the process, you can repeat the results. Naniniwala po ako yung future po natin, we release it day by day. So, kung gusto mong matuto ka in the future, kailangan simulan mo ngayong araw. Mag-aral ka, mag-self-learn ka, because learning should be intentional. Kung hindi mo siya pag-aaralan intentionally, matatagalan talaga para maging successful ka. Kung mag-aaral ka lang every time may video presentation kaming pinopost sa group, matatagalan ka talaga. Kailangan ikaw mismo nagsesearch ka. Not just about the business, kailangan mag-invest ka din sa sarili mo. Sa YouTube, napakaraming videos, motivational videos, how to think like a leader, how to become successful. Napakadami po, papanoorin mo na lang. Huwag mo nang hayaan ng spoon feed ka ng sponsor mo para lang mag-aral ka. Again, uulitin ko, this is your business. So, does it work? Yes, definitely, it does work. Kaya nga po namin ginagawa eh. Kaya ka nga nandito ngayon at nanonood eh. Dahil ginagawa mo na rin yung business. Because meron kaming system na finalo, kaya nakapag-avail ka. Tama ba? Hindi po dahil magaling kami, dahil lang po meron kaming tools that we present to people. And yung tools po na yon, pinoprovide po yun ng company and ng sponsors natin. Okay? So, number 2 is, will you help me? Of course. Kaya nga, I think, etong video pa lang na ito, nasagot ko na yung tanong mo. Pwede naman hindi na ako gumawa ng video, tama. Pwede naman mag-solo na lang ako. Actually, to share this, kaka-check ko lang, yung last month ko, 209,000. 2 months ago, so magkasunod na buwan, no? Last month, 172K. And then, yung sumunod na buwan, which is July, 209K. And I'm sharing this not to brag, but to inspire everyone. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, I'm a nurse by profession. Hindi ko po to linya. I'm only 27 years old. The reason why kinita ko po yung ganun kalaki, because nag-dedicate po ako ng time sa business. Nag-invest ako ng time para pag-aralan yung negosyo. Hindi po ito overnight success na umattend lang ako and then ginawa ko lang siya 1 week. Tapos after 1 week, marami na akong kinikita. Hindi po ganun yun. Kailangan po dito talagang magbigay ka ng time. And when I say give time, hindi naman po 24/7 ginagawa mo to. Kahit simulan mo sa pagiging part-time, lalo na kung if you are working, because ang goal nga natin dito is madagdagan yung income mo. So if you are working, give us 2 to 3 hours of your day. Pag sinabing 2 to 3 hours, ito lang gagawin mo talaga yung negosyo. Kailangan focused ka dito. Wala kang ibang ginagawa. Do you agree with me? Sundin nyo lang po yung mga sinasabi ko. Hindi po kayo mapapahamak. Ang sa akin lang po, kung meron na rin kayong papakinggan, yung mga tao may resulta na. And I already have the results to prove. Okay? So, number 3 is, can I do it? Yun nga po yung sinasabi ko, duplicable yung business natin. It's very duplicable because you have the tools, the company already provided it. Kaya nga napakadami ng kumikita dito. Marahil isa kasi hindi pa kumikita. Bakit? Kasi hindi mo pa naaral, hindi mo pa naunawaan talaga paano tumatakbo yung negosyo natin. So, it all goes back to learn before you earn. Also, I want to share the law of leverage sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam ng law of leverage. Ito po ay libro na isinulat ni John Paul Getty. And he said, I'd rather use 1% effort from 100 people to get 100% income rather than use my own 100% effort alone to get 100% income. Because, ito guys can you imagine, if I use 1% effort from 100 people and half of them nagkasakit, they get sick, I will still get 50% income. Tama po ba? But if I am alone and get sick, I get 0% income. Tama ba? And that is what we call employment. Sad to say. Guys, don't get me wrong, I'm not against employment. Naging employee din po ako. Pero let's face it, if you want to become rich, wealthy, ay gusto mong yumaman talaga. Yung tipong hindi mo na tinitignan, pag kumain ka ng restaurant, hindi mo na tinitignan kung ano yung nasa kanan ng menu muna bago kung ano yung pagkain. Tama ba? Yung mga simpleng ganun lang. Yung di mo na pinoproblema yung pera talaga. Kung gusto mo maging successful, kailangan meron kang negosyo. Agree? Yun lang po yun. Let me tell you a story. Familiar na po ba kayo sa storya ng Mantataho? Si Taho Boy. For sure, yung mga taga-probinsya po dito, kasi maraming sa provinces, uso yung nagbebenta ng taho. Paano ba magbenta ang magtataho? 'Di ba umaga pa lang, naglalakad na siya sa kalye, sumisigaw siya ng taho. Regardless kung may bumili sa kanya sa lugar na yun or wala, tuloy-tuloy lang yung lakad niya. Ano pong mangyayari? End of the day, ubos yung paninda niya. Kasi yung nagbebenta, yung magtataho, naiintindihan niya na yung negosyo niya, hindi lahat ng taong o-offeran niya bibili. Naiintindihan niya na hindi lahat ng nakarinig sa kanya bibili. Ganon din sa business natin. Hindi lahat ng shineran mo, hindi lahat ng pinakita mo ng negosyo, mag-a-avail or bibili. You just have to understand na yun yung process talaga. Out of 10, merong isa or dalawa nakukuha. Ganon lang siya kasimple. Hindi po 100%. Yun ang kailangan mong maintindihan. Going back sa story ni Taho Boy, I don't know what he did to come up with the capital, but he invested. Nag-decide po siyang kumuha ng 10 mangtataho to work under him. Before that, kumikita po siya ng 350 pesos per day. But right now, he asked 150 pesos each of the 10. So, magkano nang kinikita niya ngayon? 1,500 per day. Guess what? Ano yung mas malaking kinikita niya? Yung ngayon o yung dati? Yung ngayon. Now he's earning much more, but do you think he's still working 7 times a week? Tingin niyo ba nagtatrabaho pa rin siya araw-araw? Hindi na. Meron na ngayon siyang time sa family niya, sa friends niya, and that's what we call leverage marketing and also known as network marketing. So guys, I hope meron po kayo natututunan dito sa aking video training. So before I end, gusto ko lang lastly i-share ito sa inyo. This is very important because for sure lahat po tayo na experience na ito. Okay? So, sa negosyo po natin, uso po ang rejection. In this kind of industry, rejection is part of the game. If you don't get rejected, hindi ka magiging successful. Lagi mo lang pong tatandaan that your success will be determined by the number of times you fail. Ulitin ko, your success will be determined by the number of times you fail. So, kung hindi ka mag-fail dito, hindi ka mare-reject, hindi ka din magiging successful. Saan ka nakakita? Unang try pa lang successful agad. Master na agad. Walang ganun, guys. Lahat may process, lahat may system na sinusunod. For example, ang system, lahat tayo before magtrabaho, di ba, nag-aaral muna tayo. And sa school, ang dami nating times na nagkamali, ang dami nating mistakes, before tayo nakagraduate. Tama ba? So, do not forget, if you get rejected, it does not mean your business is not effective. Ibig sabihin lang po nun, may mga tao talagang hindi nila naiintindihan kung anong pwedeng mangyari sa kanila pag ginawa nila yung negosyong to. So, hindi po natin sila kailangan pilitin. Again, babalik po tayo sa sort versus sell. Okay guys? So, I hope marami po kayong natutunan, and if nanonood ka pa rin right now, congratulations po, dahil ibig sabihin po nun, gusto mo talagang matuto, willing kang matuto, at gusto mong meron talagang magbago sa'yo. So again guys, thank you very much and God bless.